Good morning from Sharkon Resort. And it's a bright sunny morning. Mag-breakfast lang kami. Pero ito yung aming view ngayon. So there. That's Taal Lake. Kung may drone lang sana ako, no? Pakita ko sa inyo. And then somewhere, sa baba naman namin, nilin yung pool. Swim kaya ako, pero bahala na. May nag-hi, pero hindi ko alam kung sino. Siguro may mga Zumba dapat hindi ako sa silent Zumba. But mag-breakfast muna kami doon sa hall. And then after that, walk. Yeah, definitely. Mag-walk. Nature walk na naman ako today. Para makita nyo kung ano nature ng place. Kung mag-decide kayo or maisip nyo na magkaroon ng outing dito sa Mataas na Kahoy. Kasi this is one of the, I would say mga revenue generating businesses dito sa Mataas na Kahoy. And ma-encourage yung mga turista na pumunta dito. This is one of it. Alright, see you around. On my way doon sa session hall. Yan din yung tawag doon. Mag-breakfast muna ako before mag-walking. Short tour lang. Ito yung parang yung lodge where most ng mga members ng company andun. Ito naman yung parang mga villa. Apparently kagabi, hindi lang naman parang madaming companies na nandito. And then kagabi, may mga laseng binasag yung pinto. Kasi hindi siya makapasok sa room dahil wala siyang susi. Ba't may ganun tao, no? Maraming pine trees here. Kumukulo na yung tiyan ko. I wonder ko ano yung ulam. And then after ko mag-breakfast, ikot-ikot ako around para to explore the place. Medyo pataas talaga. Pag hindi ka sanay, maghihingal ka talaga on your way up. So may pool din here. So yung pool, 6 feet. Pero maliit lang. There's barbecue. Lalaki ng uling. For breakfast muna, pork tapa, longganisa, egg, and rice. So, having kapeng barako, ice kapeng barako. Yan. Diyan yung mga friends ko. Nakain sila. Hindi ba? Hindi pa ako. Diyan na sila. Ayun. Hanap tayo ng new adventure. Try natin tong arrow. Mag-arrow tayo ngayon. Well, airsoft lang siya. Ayoko hindi ako mahilig sa guns. Pero try natin to. Other people. So airsoft siya. Try natin to. Paano? Uy, si Mary pala yun.
Try ka din?
Oo.
100 lang.
100?
Oo.
Wala 100.
Ano rifle to hammer?
Pagka yung arrow?
100.
Ikaw?
Ay, cheer na si Daryl eh. Namamotivate ako.
Diyos ko.
May mukha kayo nakikita dyan, ma'am.
Ex niya.
Sa totoo ba rin mas tumatalsik yung basyo niya? Ito, hindi.
So hindi ko alam tatry ko archery or yung gun. Ayoko kasi ng guns eh. Archery hindi naman ako marunong. Baka kasi sinatamaan ko.
Konting-konti na lang. Micro. Ang baba ng unahan. Konti. Ayan.
Yun, no?
Ano lang. Maintain mo lang yung gamang spot. Yeah. Oh, sobrang mababa. Yeah.
Yun, no?
Ito yun, tatandaan mo. Nang ganun lang. Oo, kung saan siya naka-aim. Tapos yung...
So, hindi ko alam kung swimming ako. Magsiswimming ba ako or hindi? Kasi if ever may swimming, may 1 hour pa ako to stay. 1 hour to swim. Alright, I'm having a refreshing drink muna dito sa Jams Coffee sa loob ng Sharkon. Yeah, so I'm having this refreshing strawberry iced tea drink. So medyo mainit at nag-coffee na ako kanina doon during breakfast. Nakadalawang kapeng barako din ako, so refreshing drink muna. Yeah, it's almost 10:30 and ang checkout namin is 12 o'clock. And we need to be at the function room by 12, before 12. Maliligo pa, mag-shower pa. I think may lunch pa. Medyo busog pa ako and magkakaroon na ng lunch ng 12 o'clock and then we'll check out. I'm not sure but para meron pang final activity ng 12. I'm thinking of mag-swimming ba ako or parang ayoko na mag-swim. Pagpa-uwi namin, dadaan ako may mga outlet stores dito sa Lipa and then after that to some other places naman. I'm not sure baka sa SLEX din. Alright, leaving our hotel room. Okay, yan siya. Goodbye hotel room. Hope to see you again next time. Pagbalik namin here. Okay, time to go. Eat lunch. Quick stopover lang dito sa outlets sa Lipa. But first, coffee. So medyo kakunti yung tao dito sa outlet sa Lima. So parang may nabili ako dito na Adidas na shorts for 600 pesos lang. Ito yung parang food court nila. Flavors.
IG niya na naglalag. Walang ganon. Uy, mahalap ko lang. Si girl. Sorry.
Coffee time.
Nandun sa party ni Ben. Kasi yung view.
Then, tapos na kami sa Lima Estate sa coffee at saka shopping nila. Nag-shopping sila eh. Ako doon ay shopping. So they shop yung mga buy one take one sila na bags na nabili. 3.5 buy one take one. Going back to Manila in a bit. Waiting for our van to arrive. Diba, may football field for to develop kids in playing football. When I was a kid sa Mindoro, meron din naman sa high school, sa JJ Ledo High School. Okay, kakauwi ko lang from our 2-day or weekend work team building sa Mind Lab together with syempre mga office mates ko at tapos yung sister company namin. And I experienced the generosity of our boss ni Jeff and yung ibang side ng aking mga office mates na hindi lang pang work. They're fun to be with, they're exciting and great people in and out kahit sa outside work. Madami nangyari nung over the weekend. Hindi ko na-experience yung iba pero narinig ko yung kwento. Like for example, habang nandun sila sa labas, may narinig silang sumigaw, weird sounds, shouting, may mga ganon. But most of the most, siguro yung camaraderie at yung nabuong dynamic ng team over the weekend kasi nga this is a team building. Marami kami natutunan in terms of how to make things work as a team, how to ask support from different team members kasi there are activities na ganun yung tuturong lesson. And for some naman, mayroong mga challenges, for example, ziplining, rappelling, and I'm not sure kung meron nag-wall climbing sa iba, but merong mga ganun activities. So that particular exercise or activity is more of a challenging your fear and overcoming it. Yun yung feeling ko yun yung mga tinuturo. That's why it's not compulsory, but it's more like encouraging people to try those kind of activities. Kasi me, for example, takot ako sa, hindi takot pero most like ganun na nga. Meron akong some sort of a fear of heights. Pero hindi ako takot sa zipline. Diba? May mga ganung bagay. Pero sa iba, challenge yung mag-zipline kasi first di pa na na-experience. So, yun yung parang in-exercise during that part of the team building, diba? Overcoming fears. And trusting teammates. Kasi may isang activity doon na kailangan pumasok ng maze. Tapos, kailangan nyong i-navigate yung palabas ng maze as a team. And along the way, you will experience challenges. Diba? Pupunta ka ng isang way, tapos sarado pala. It taught us Instead of ma-frustrate, magalit, mainis, malungkot, tawanan lang yung problema. Ganon. Parang yun yung tinuturo ng Maze. Tawanan mo yung problema until marating mo or ma-solve mo yung challenge. So yun yung key takeaway naman sa Maze. Ang natutunan ko over the weekend doon sa activity na yun, yung Saturday is more on team dynamics talaga, forming team dynamics and trusting your colleagues and your coworkers and teammates. And yung second day naman, it's more like it's a free day to explore, di ba? Exploring one's creativity, exploring my strength, and also yung having fun with friends and colleagues. Yun yung takeaway ko naman second day. Alright, that's it. That's it for the amazing weekend and amazing day that we had for the Mind Lab at saka SSG team building. Again, congrats Sir Jeff. Thank you very much. Appreciate all your effort, and to the team of Mind Lab then. Thank you for being a good team members and in supporting each other, being always there, no, kahit may problem, kahit saan, hindi lang sa accounts ko, sa accounts ng iba, nagtutulungan talaga. Thank you very much for your help, and I really appreciate it. And for those of you who hindi pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, please do like the video, subscribe to my channel, help me reach siguro I'll try to 1 million na, no, subscribers this year. Mahirap gawin, pero sa tulong nyo kayang-kaya siyang gawin. And that's it. Thank you very much. I hope you'll have a great day, and see you on the next vlog. Bye-bye.